What's up, developers and problem solvers? Rod checking in. I want to bring you guys another video today. And today we're going to give you guys 10 awesome web development projects that are going to help you take your career to the next level and get you that job you want. And I'm going to help you guys with that. First of all, guys, my name is Rod. If you guys don't know who I am, I help developers really take their skills to the next level and really put you in a position to win. So let's start with the first thing first, guys. Projects separate the weak developers from the strong. A lot of you guys are into this coding tutorial rabbit hole. You're scared to come out of it. You're just learning without actually doing any projects because you know, I don't know why, you know that you're going to get feedback once you start doing some projects, and it's going to really kind of dictate if you wasted a ton of time programming, well, writing code and not necessarily actually do projects, guys. So I'm going to help you guys really kind of niche down, narrow down your focus so that you can focus on some of these projects that's going to really help take your portfolio, your resume, your job interviewing process to the next level so that you can get that job that you want, guys. So that being said, first of all, guys, if you guys already know, I started off as a database developer, doing a lot of stuff on the EDI side, moving data, that kind of stuff on a regular basis. When I first started, I had zero programming skills. I had technical skills doing PC repair and all that stuff, but no programming skills specifically. So I primarily worked help desk, helped out the system administrator with server management, no necessarily programming experience at the beginning. But what I did do though is in college, I took some COBOL classes when I actually went to school as a business information systems degree. If you guys know business information systems, it's basically computer science and business smashed together, and you get business information systems. So the program of that school choice, Mississippi State, was COBOL, which is outdated. We'll go into that at a different time, but it was programming. I was able to learn the fundamentals, get a nice feel of programming, and kind of start from there. But guys, it didn't prepare me for the actual projects and the level stuff that I had to do at my current job at the time. Nothing really dealing with databases, functions, arrays, any of .NET, any of that stuff. So no experience with that whatsoever. So I did my coding or did my technical projects, everything was good. Well, there was a opportunity to actually do EDI, which is electronic data interchange, and it's heavily relied on .NET coding and really kind of working conditional statements, arrays, variables, all that stuff. So at the time we didn't have anybody, so they kind of threw me in there as a stopgap, more just to watch the system, not necessarily break anything, but don't build anything either. So you know, I working with support. I had help as far as just their support, but they didn't allow me to touch the system. Well, I took that opportunity to actually learn how to code, guys. I spent probably about 3 months of my life really digging deep and trying to learn how to code and really kind of take my coding skills to the next level. I can honestly say during those 3 months, I learned more about coding in those 3 months than I have the last 5 years in those 3 months, because I was day in, day out just pounding it, learning variables, arrays, conditional statements, select statements, any and everything about coding. I was into it to get these codes, bang these projects out, guys. And I'm gonna give you 10 of these projects that's gonna allow you guys to get that opportunity as well. Long story short, I was able to get that job. They hired me on as a full-time software developer, and the rest is history. And I want to share some of those 10 awesome program or projects with you guys that's going to help you take things to the next level yourself. But before we get started, obviously there's more than 10 projects, guys. I have links below to my 7-step guide. This guy's going to also help you guys really focus in on the projects that's going to get you that job you want, nail that interview, and be around like-minded people absolutely free. So go ahead and sign up for that. You also get access to the DigiLink community as well. If you guys already signed up for my 7-step guide, I have some premium courses. Go check those out and support the channel, guys, and it's going to help you take your career to the next level also. So all of those links are in the description box. Go check that out. Number one project, guys. Every system has a core management system. If you're in transportation, you have a transportation management system. Healthcare management system. Stocks and bonds, you probably have some kind of trading bot or some kind of system that's gonna house all your orders, all your trades, and it's probably have a database, front end, back end, and that's gonna be their core management system. They need developers to integrate different plugins, different modules into that system. This is a great opportunity for beginners to get started, because you can find out what that client uses as far as a management system. Go online, do a quick Google search, and find the top 10 add-ons for that particular module. And these are things that you can put on your resume that you can help the company you work for. Probably have a management system right now that they want some add-on, but they have the current developers really is not motivated to add them on. You can do that and start off, guys. So start looking at the core management systems and the add-on modules and really kind of code those out. And good thing about all that, most of it's on GitHub, Stack Overflow. It's pretty readily available for the more popular ones. Salesforce is another one. Guys, jump on that quick. Number two, digitizing paper processes, guys. Anytime you see a sheet of paper and it hasn't printed out of a content management system or any kind of management system, that's an opportunity actually to start a project. Digitize that paper, start imaging, start web forms. Anytime you see paper that starts a process where somebody's manually filling out a sheet of paper and they have to actually put it in a file cabinet and they don't have a system that they importing it in, you automatically think that's a project that I can do to help scale that company. Because I guarantee you that form that they need, that they just filled out 8 different departments, and that's not even including all the people in the organization, need to have access to that paper. And if you can digitize that as fast as possible, give everybody access, start a workflow, that'll be perfect, guys. There's a lot of code, .NET, PHP, imaging system, forms, WordPress that takes advantage of that. 2, business process automation, guys. This is a wide range. This goes into anything Excel, anything human like unstructured processes, guys. You need to jump on this. I use I just went blank. There's a lot of options out there, guys. Comment below on which one you go to. It's been a while since I've been in there. I got it on the tip of my tongue, but I just forgot it at RPA path. But anyways, guys, RPA, the business process automation, go check that out. Huge opportunity in that, and it's basically the groundwork for AI and automation and machine learning. So go ahead, check that out. Number 4, workflow optimization. This is going to go along with RPA, guys. Anytime you have workflows that are not optimal, business processes, things that go across department, across people, you need to automate that. That's going to really kind of take your projects to the next level. Number 5, analytics, dashboard, reporting, alerting. All of that I kind of put in one segment or one category, because it really starts, it's a great way to get started, and it's a big impact project. And a lot of developers think, hey, I'm a software developer, I don't necessarily write reports. Well, anytime you display content or data to a end user in a GUI interface, you're doing a certain level of reporting. It's not a formal report that you're doing out of SSRS or any Tableau related tool, but it's a great way to get started. If I had to pick one of these just to get started with, reporting is the best way, because this is how I got started. It gets you in the door fast, it's easy to learn, it's big impact, it's not intimidating, and it really sets the foundation for the other operations you can do. Number 6, moving data, EDI, guys. Anytime you got APIs, EDI, XML, moving data. That's a huge industry, and only going to get more prevalent when you get blockchain, so that you can validate each of those steps of that data move, guys. So number 7, UI software design. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on that because a ton of other videos online about that. But anytime that front end you need anything mobile responsive, that's going to come into play there, guys. Number 8, software development add-ons. This kind of goes to number 1, where you have your management system have add-ons, where you got other systems, accounting, GP, marketing automation, these WordPress, they have add-ons, they have modules, they have plugins. This is a huge industry that you guys can start doing projects on. Number 9, intranets, guys. You got, you have SharePoint, you have Umbraco, you have WordPress, you have a ton of platforms that you may not traditionally think is a intranet site, which most of them are not. You can make it work for what you want to do for your current version, or just a proof of concept, so that you can get buy-in on the idea. You can always find an optimal platform for it in the future, but you want to have a start, guys. Anytime you can code in anything, PHP, any old programming language, if you can do a proof of concept to display that during a customer or an interview, or as a beginner, or in your portfolio, do that, guys. The best project is the project that you can do. Don't go learn a new language just to do a proof of concept and you may not use it, guys. Go ahead and check that out. The next 2 is not traditional, but it's a part of the whole experience as being a software developer. Games, learning, and labs. Guys, creating a platform for learning, making that more streamlined. You don't have a lot of businesses doing it per se because they don't prioritize that, but it's a great way to get started, especially when you start to get into training people. That's a really good way on the intranet to have a section about training, going through a process, onboarding, making sure everybody's aware of something, doing new and improved company guidelines and all that stuff. Really good area, guys, be able to display that. And the bonus one, guys, is fun and motivational project. A lot of you guys get tied into this at the beginning and don't necessarily go into the specifics on it. But you guys, you have to understand that it's very important that you guys really take advantage of the fun project, the motivational projects. These are not going to give you a direct ROI, but it's going to build morale. It's going to showcase your company ability to maximize the technology. And this is the stuff you do for PR purposes and all that stuff, guys. So kind of keep this in mind, guys. These are all projects that's going to really take things to the next level for you and really put you in a position to win. So if you guys have additional questions, let me know in the description box. If you agree, if you disagree, let me know in the description box or the comment section, and we're going to be able to help you guys take your skills to the next level and get you that development job you want. If you guys have additional questions, let's have a conversation, guys. If you haven't signed up for my 7-step guide yet, links are below. Let's go ahead and check out those links below for my 7-step guide. And if you already signed up for that guide, check out some of my premium courses, guys. Let's support the channel, let's support what we do here, and really kind of take your software development skills to the next level. Guys, let's go ahead and take action, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Peace.